Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about the 2025 Honda CG160, a bike known for its rugged reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Popular in markets like Brazil, Latin America, and parts of Asia, the CG160 is expected to receive modern updates, refined performance, and improved safety features while keeping its affordability intact. Let's check out what the new version might offer. Classic design with modern touches. The 2025 CG160 is expected to maintain its simple yet functional design, featuring a muscular fuel tank, minimalistic bodywork, and a comfortable single-piece seat. However, Honda may introduce new graphics, LED lighting, and refreshed alloy wheels to give it a more premium and sporty appeal while staying true to its commuter-friendly nature. Fuel-efficient 160 cubic centimeters engine. The CG160 is likely to retain its 162.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering around 15 PS of power and 14 Nm of torque. This BS6 Euro 5 compliant engine will be tuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery, making it ideal for daily commuting. Honda may also refine its PGM-FI, programmed fuel injection system for better throttle response and lower emissions. Digital instrument cluster and connectivity. A major update in the 2025 model could be a fully digital instrument cluster, replacing the older analog setup. Honda might also introduce Bluetooth connectivity for features like call alerts, SMS notifications, and navigation assistance. A USB charging port could further enhance convenience for daily riders. Enhanced suspension and braking. For improved ride comfort, the new CG160 is expected to come with telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, tuned for better handling and stability on rough roads. The braking system will likely feature a front disc brake with CBS, combi braking system, for safer stops, while higher variants might offer optional ABS for added security. Expected price and launch date. The 2025 Honda CG160 is expected to be priced between $1,800 to $2,200 in international markets, keeping it an affordable and practical choice for daily commuters. A launch is anticipated in early to mid-2025, with availability in regions where the CG160 is already popular. Would you pick the new CG160 as your next daily commuter? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Stay tuned.